open this, guys. There you go. Ooh. Stylmartin. There you go. Wow. Pop the hood, man. Pop the hood. Ooh. You see what we got. Oh my goodness. A very nice shoes. The Stylmartin iron. Look at it, guys. Looks like you unbox. Get a dirty shoe in a box. It's made from Italy. The Stylmartin iron. Oh, nice sole. It's got the distressed sole. That's why. Yeah, and I having a feel of it. Feels like good quality stuff. It's got an ankle support. And then the reinforced toes for shifting. Oh, this is really a nice shoes. Woo! Nice motorcycle sneakers from Stylmartin. Ooh, I love it. Really like it. Looks good to me. Woo! Christmas came early. Woo! Stylmartin iron. Just want to say shout out to Makiling Motoreros, Toto Nicolas, Kim Mercado. Mercado, is that Mercado? Yes, and the two Francises, Francis Turalva and Francis Lim Kauko. We'll see you soon, guys. Ride safe. We're having a vaccine, you know. Stylmartin. Woo! Love the shoes, man. See ya.